listen, I'm about to tell you about a strategy that made me money this week, and I don't want you to tell nobody, all right? Do not tell nobody at all. Promise me? All right, let's go. Yes. Listen, guys, what I'm about to show you right now, it literally changed my trading because when I first got into the market, I only looked at the market one way. And I'm going to talk about that, right? But these 4 things I'm about to show you right now, okay? Once you understand this and see this, it's almost like you can't unsee it. And it's going to help you take your trading to the next level. So we're going to talk about the 4 different environments. So let's go, okay? The first environment is the trending environment, right? So the market is trending, right? We have that trending environment. The second environment is the ranging environment, right? Now, I'm here to tell you guys that the stuff I'm telling you is not groundbreaking stuff, but, okay, it is stuff that's going to help you. And let me explain. Let me finish this first, all right? So we have the trending market, the ranging market. Now we have, okay, the breakout market, okay? The market is breaking out. Boom, breaks out, right? Continuation, okay? So we got that breakout market. And then we have the reversal market, okay? The market's going up, well, it's trying to go up some more, nope, it's trying to go up, nope, and then we go down, okay? So let's talk about these 4 different markets because, again, when I first came in the market, the first thing I heard was the trend is your friend, the trend is your friend, the trend is your friend. And guess what? I was so stuck on the trend that I didn't pay attention to the ranging market. I didn't pay attention to the breakout market. I didn't pay attention to the reversal market. But no one online teaches trading this way. How do I know? Because this literally came from my brain, okay? And I'm gonna explain to you now how this came about. So let me just explain the story real quick, right? Now, when I first started, YouTube wasn't really popping like that, right? So I was getting information on Baby Pips, forexfactory.com, some other websites, right? And I was on his website, and this guy was saying, he said something that was very profound, right? It was like, man, it's like things just clicked for me. He said, if you knew tomorrow is going to be a trending day, he said 100% guarantee you know tomorrow is going to be a trending day, can you make money? He said the answer should be yes, right? Just slap on maybe a moving average, wait for the market to pull back to the moving average, and you buy, right? He said, what if you knew that tomorrow is going to be a ranging day? 100% guarantee. Can you make money? He said, yeah, you should, right? Maybe slap on an RSI, wait for overbought or oversold, or sell the tops, buy the bottoms, right? And go from there. And when he said that, guys, it was like, oh, shoot. I wasn't even looking at the market that way. I was just looking at, I gotta find a trend. And it was like the trend was blinding me so much to the point where I was ignoring the different environments. Now, let me explain to you how I found these different environments because it's very important. Because the guy that was explaining, okay, what if you knew that today or tomorrow was going to be a trending day, okay, 100% guarantee. That guy, he only talked about 2 states. Let me explain to you how I found these other states. So I used to trade 9:30 all the way to 4 p.m. Eastern time, right? I don't recommend that. Please don't do that. But I was doing that. So what I did was I took a screenshot from 9:30 to 4 p.m. And I took like thousands of different screenshots, okay? From 9:30 a.m. to 4 o'clock. And when I started taking these screenshots, guys, I started to see patterns. I started to see different states, different environments. I started to see the trending environment. I started to see the ranging environment. I started to see the breakout environment. I started to see the reversal environment. And the market was doing these different things every single month, every single week, right? Now, the thing is, a lot of times a trending state, right, it's not going to look the same. So you might have very strong trends where you have like little pullbacks and the markets keep going. And then you might have a trend that has deep pullbacks where the market's going up, pulling back deep, the market's going up again, pulling back deep. So not only you have 4 different environments, you actually have subcategories in every different environment. So even in a ranging environment, you would have wide range, right? So the range would be wide from the top to the bottom. And then you have medium ranges where, it's not that wide. And then you have tight ranges, right? And then even with the breakouts, so you have some breakouts that would basically, the market breaks out and it will pull back to the breakout, right? And then you have some breakouts that are so strong that will basically, the market will break out, right? It will pull back a little bit and just keep going. So you even have different breakouts. And even with the reversals, we have different reversals. So when I started to see the market this way, it literally clicked. Because when I first got in the market, guess what? What people focus on? The trend, all the time, the trend. And when I got into the trend, either I was late into the trend, or I was trading a reversal, or I was trading a range. Guys, it was so confusing. So this helped me, take my trading to the next level and help me, just look at the market much clearer. So let me show you guys the trades that I took this week. And I'm gonna basically apply this concept to the trades that I took this week. So let's go. All right, so this was Monday, right? So what do we see Monday? Well, I see that the market is trending. It's trending up. You guys, this is a trend. So to me, I'm looking for long. So when the market opened, I saw this level right here, okay? It pulled back to this level right here. I took this long because this green bar wiped out this red bar right here, okay? And we was at support. And then, I took that for a quick winner. And I was up 4,900 for the day, okay? On that one trade. So again, I was looking at the environment first. That's the number one thing. You do not want to look at anything else, because if you get the environment wrong, okay, I don't care what else you do. It doesn't matter. I don't care if you read the tape. I don't care if you read level 2. I don't care if you look at Fibonacci, order blocks, fair value gaps. I don't care what you look at, guys. If the direction is wrong, the market will wipe you out. Now, just because you understand the direction doesn't mean you won't lose. Please understand this, because I don't want you to think that this is a 100%, guaranteed strategy. What I want you to just realize is how much this is going to make you a better trader, how much this is going to make you prepared, right? Like, you're really going to be more prepared to trade better when you look at the market this way, okay? And again, this is not groundbreaking stuff. I'm not telling you something that's new, but the way I'm packaging everything together, that's the stuff that's new, okay? Because right now, I watch a lot of, videos on YouTube, okay? A lot of traders, and I know for a fact, no one talks about trading this way. And I know that they probably can't talk about it because it came from my brain. It literally came from me taking thousands of different screenshots, okay? So let me show you guys Tuesday. All right, so Tuesday, what do we see, guys? We see, okay, I'm looking at pretty much a breakout market, okay? The market was trending up, okay? And it broke out. It broke out of there, okay? And then it pulled back to this level right here. Okay, pull back to this support level right here. So that's what I'm looking at, okay? I say, okay, the market's trending up. It broke out of that nice trend line, right? Pulled back to that nice key support level. And I want to take a trade. So the first trade I took, unfortunately, it was a loser. Guys, you're not going to win 100% of the time. So I lost money on that trade. So it was this trade right here, guys, all right? When I saw the market was rejecting right here, all right, I took a long. I got stopped out. Okay, I got stopped out. It is what it is. You can't win them all. Now, guess what? It came back down, it was still holding support. Again, I told you guys, try not to give up on that first try, because sometimes it might take you 2 tries or 3 tries. Boom, came back, nice bullish bar. I went long again, and the first trade, I lost 2,500 on that trade. This trade, I went a little bit more heavier, and then basically I got my money back and some. And this was a nice risk to reward trade. And this trade I was up 8,000 and something dollars, okay? So again, looking at the environment. So let's go to the next day. So, all right, this next day, guys, this is actually, I'm glad I'm showing you this, because this day right here, all right, the old me would say, oh, the market is trending up, but I realized the market was in a reversal state. Let me show you, okay? So look at this, okay? The market's going up, right? And then we topped out right here and we start pulling back, okay? So to me, the way I was looking at this was a possible head and shoulders, right? Now, here's where I didn't say, I'm not gonna say I went wrong, okay? Because I believe I did the right thing, but it was a losing day for me, okay? When I came in the market, I saw that it was a reversal day. And I said to myself, man, I want this short. I want this short. But guess what? It never really gave me the short that I wanted. So let me pull back, right? So right here, we do have support, okay? Remember, we didn't really break the support yet. So in general, the market is still holding up. Even though I understand that we are in a reversal environment, the market is still holding this support level. So in my brain, this is what I'm thinking. Okay, I can take this long right here and I can ride this long all the way up to maybe this resistance up here, or even if it goes up, you know, maybe to up here, okay? Somewhere up here. That's, you know, that's my thought process. I took the long, I got stopped out. Again, you're not gonna win all the time. It is what it is. I got stopped out on that one, okay? And then I kind of did a revenge trade. You know, I mean, we did have support right here, but the market was reversing. I was like, I said, you know what, let me just take another long. I took a little long and I got stopped out again, okay? So this was a down day for me. It is what it is. You can't win them all, okay? So this day I was down 7,200, okay, for the day. Again, it is what it is. You can't win them all. So let me show you guys the next day, okay? So right here, okay, here's the next day where I'm looking at the environment, okay? Even though we are going down, what do I see? Yes, this down day was from yesterday, but this day, okay, it was giving me ranging environment, okay? So if you look at this, what is the market doing? It's ranging. So that's how I'm looking at the market, okay? So right here, we got this range. So I'm looking at this, I'm saying, all right, we have this range. Two things can happen. I'm gonna treat this like a ranging day, but two things can happen. We can break out this range and continue to go down, or we can just play the range. So we broke out of the range a little bit, and I'm seeing if it's gonna basically hold that resistance right here, but it didn't, and it shot up, giving me a nice V bottom. So that's telling me right now, okay, that most likely today is going to be a ranging day. So I'm looking for that continuation. So right here, I saw that it went back into the range. Also, I see that we have a nice little trend line break. So I'm looking for that continuation to the top of the range. And that's what I did, guys. I went long. If you look at this nice little consolidation right here, okay, went long right here. And then basically, I got the top of the range. So that was my day right there. And I made 6,700 on that trade, all right? So again, I'm looking at environment first. That's the most important part. The most important part, guys, right? And I'm looking to see the reactions around these different levels, and I'm taking the trade. So let me go to today, which is Friday. And basically today, how I was looking at the market was we was trending down, right? And we was kind of ranging a little bit, but this was like a tight range. And I really didn't like this range right here. I wanted the market to break out. So I wanted the market to break out of this range. This range was kind of a little tight, a little tight. So I was like, okay, let me see how it breaks out the range. And guess what? It broke out of the range. It never pulled back. It never pulled back. Like I wanted a pullback. I wanted something like, okay, break, boom, let's pull back to this and let's continue to go down. So this is what I'm talking about, guys, right? That the market have different type of breakouts, different type of, ranges. And, certain days, sometimes you might not even trade. Okay, so I showed you guys four days, 3 winning days, okay, and 1 losing day. Again, you're not gonna win all the time. But the main part of this video is me showing you the different environments and what helped me, okay, see the market much clearer. Now, just because you see the market much clearer doesn't mean you're going to become this super trader overnight and you're going to just make a whole bunch of money. Guys, this is reality. You still got to get used to this. But I'm telling you right now, I can almost guarantee you this is going to help you, okay? See the market much clearer, okay? But you still have to practice. Let's be real. You still have to practice, right? And you still will lose here and there. This is why you should have a strategy that allows you to have your winners bigger than your losers, okay? But with this, you're gonna see the market much clearer. And I know this is gonna help you, okay? So that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoy this. If you have to, take notes, do that. You know what to do. Hit that like button, all right? If you wanna check out more, go in the description. But guys, let's get it. I know you can do it. Let's step up our game and let's be profitable traders. Talk to you guys later.